In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Shopify store website. So for that, we need Shopify, but we also need a website called Elfsight. So you want to go to elfsight.com. Now, once you're on this website, all you need to do is click on widgets right there, and then you can actually find the music option, okay? So for that, let's see where it's at right there, audio. Then you'll find audio player and background music. Now I recommend choosing background music, but you can also go with the audio player. Now next up, click on create a widget at the top right corner and then scroll down, and then right there you'll find a few different templates that you can use, okay? If you click on the template, it will actually show you what it looks like. So you can go with any of these templates right there. We can choose this one, but I feel like I'm gonna go with this one. This one looks pretty cool, so we're gonna go with this one. So choose the one that you like and then click on continue with this template. Right there you can then add tracks. You can add a different layout, a different player, and a different style, so you can customize this, so you can change the colors and all of that. And right there you can add tracks. Now once you're done setting that up, you want to click on join to install and then sign up for an account. Because I already have an account, I'm going to click on login, and they should actually send you back to that page once you're signed in so that you can save it. There you go. Click on save at the top right corner. Next up, choose a pricing plan. I'm going to go with the free one, $0 a month. Next up, you can actually copy the code. There you go. So copy this code, go to Shopify, click on online store, go to themes, click on actions, click on edit code right there. And then you actually need to, let's see, copy this code in here. So depending on where you want to use this, all you need to do is go to theme.liquid. If you just want this on your home page, let me just get rid of that one, and then paste that code in there and click on save. There you go. Now let's show you what that looks like. If I now go to my store, you'll actually see music right here. And that's pretty much how you can do this. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.